guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm participating in a one box challenge hosted by Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and this is the second time that I'm participating in this challenge. And I have cleaned out my craft room and my storage area where I keep my small appliances and my kind of like entertainment closet. And I have several things here that I'm ready to donate, and there is also a box of stuff that I went through in my craft storage area for daycare, and I went through it and I had actually found a ton of stuff that were like odds and ends, not enough for daycare but enough for me to do crafts with and DIY. So I had created a box for that as well, so I thought I'd share that with you. So I'm gonna go through the stuff and let you know what I'm doing with each item and my thought process and all that kind of stuff. So like I said, this is a challenge, so there will be a playlist. I will have Rachel's channel linked down below as well, so make sure you check out her channel and the playlist. And so let's get cracking. So first I'm going to show you a little bit of all the craft supplies. I'm just gonna turn this way so the shadow is not in it. So I have a whole bunch of these. I think I have like 3, so not enough for daycare but enough for me to make some stuff. Then tons of these cans, some odds and ends of backsplash, lots of styrofoam balls, different sizes. Then I have vitamin containers, more tea containers. I have these lids from the Bath and Body Works candles. I also have some of these clothespins, some moss, just an odd candle, lots of leaves with no flowers, some stones, some of these rhinestones. So all of this stuff I can reuse, create some DIYs for my channel. So I thought instead of throwing it out, I am just going to keep all this and see what I can come up with. So the next one is this box, and there are several items here. So I have been saving these baskets and this is like the 4th Easter I haven't used them, so I will be donating these because they are perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with them. This is a divider from a fridge that I no longer have. I do not know why I kept this, but do you think I should donate it? Do you think somebody might find it useful, or do you think I should just toss it? Let me know down in the comments what you would do with it. Then I have 2 coffee makers. We know I can no longer buy, well, I can, it's just not convenient for me to go and buy the pods for my Tassimo. So I decided somebody else might find a use for it. And then I also have just a drip coffee maker in here. Actually, this should not be here because I still have the easel. But so a drip coffee maker in here, and my husband was using it for his open houses, but we got a single serve Keurig, which I think is completely better anyways than actually making a full pot of coffee, so I will be donating that. Then I have some, actually this is my daughter's school uniform, which I was gonna donate to some they have at the beginning of the school year, they have like a little used uniform shop, so I was going to donate those there. And then I have a craft kit that's complete, but it's too hard for any of my kids to make. I have a perfectly fine backpack, but this one came free with something, and I have tons of backpacks, so I will be donating that. Then I have some makeup bags and just this it could be a beach bag if somebody wanted it. This is a makeup organizer with some makeup brushes. I might actually take these out and just donate the organizer. I have kept it for myself, but to be honest with you, I have never once used it. And then I have just some DIYs that I have made that I will be donating as well, or tossing, depending if they don't want it or anything like that. So this is about it. I don't have anything more. I did do a big donation at the beginning of the year, which I shared some of it with you guys in the same challenge, but this is what I have right now. So I would like to thank Rachel for hosting this challenge, and I do love participating in these type of challenges because they get me going and getting things done. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and if this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. I do organizing type of videos often. I also have a blog that I write a lot of stuff for organization. I also include free printables and all that stuff, so make sure you check it out. It's all linked down below. So until next time, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.